Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Today was been absolutely crazy. We caught beautiful downside move on Meta. Everything on the watch list hit. We could go over it right now. All right, so literally on the watch list, this is what I had. I had Meta above 750 to 756, or below 745 to 735. All right. So when we go to Meta, here, let's do this for you guys. So we go to Meta, and this was 745, right? So how you do this is below 745, candle close down to 735, right? So market opens. I'm on the 2 minute. This initial candle, closes beautifully under pre-market levels and shows me strong volume to the downside. So I simply entered here with a stop loss of here, went to the 5 minute, and just watched it play straight to TP. And I went right there, went right to it. So that was how you could have played Meta. And then Tesla, we said 326 to 322. All right. Tesla, 326. Now, obviously, no, that's still gorgeous, dude. 326 to 322. And you would have seen that it broke below, right? Obviously. So you get this strong candle close. You know you could take that retest and then take it to that next level. All right. So it did it again. It just broke beautiful levels today. I missed it. All I caught today was Meta. Like I said, can't catch them all. And I went fairly heavy on that. So yeah, so 2 minute chart, market opens, boom, break below 326, candle close, wait for that retest right there, take it straight down to 322. That's your TP. That's a $4 move. That's all you need. And then Nvidia below 174 to 171.5. Nvidia 174. All right, and that was gorgeous. Shit, look at that. So 5 minute looks like this. We still broke and closed. And then this next candle was our retest. But if you look at it on the 2 minute, you have actual, you kind of see it a little bit better how it's rejecting right under that level. So that's great. So entry could be right here with this as a stop loss, right? Super tight stop losses. If you guys notice, like I'm not entering trades unless the risk to reward is here. All right, that's the risk. This is the reward. That's I'll take that all day. That's gorgeous. Um, Same with Tesla, you saw, and same with Meta. Like today on Meta, I risked this and made that. Do you see that? Do you see that? This like triples, right? Gorgeous. So yeah, so that is how you read that on the Discord. And we were waiting for this move big time, right? I've been waiting the whole time for this because it has to retest. So we get rid of these levels now. SPY also. I've been kind of staying away from SPY recently, only because like we're in this chop zone. We broke out yesterday, gorgeous. Pre-market levels were kind of ugly. I wouldn't even have taken it until this retest right here, which I could have taken that to the downside, but whatever, could have caught it from there. What's that? 636 to 633. And then you can see, obviously, we're way oversold. And then, you know, essentially, is that a bullish engulfing? Tweezer bottom, whatever you want to call it. And volume's increasing. So, you just don't be greedy with the plays. If it gets close to the level, you're in profits, you're happy with it, take it. This is 632.98, 632.35. All right, it's like 45 cents, 50 cents, so it's not worth it. And yeah, so that's really it. So now little recap of what I think is going to happen in general. I think we dropped like this in order for this news that's about to come out, right? So I think this is going to be just a huge sweep, reclaim, boom, go. As soon as it does that, we're in there like swimwear, baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's nice. It's very nice. So I added long term to everything. All right. NVIDIA, Meta, Apple, Hood. I added, oh yeah, that was a gorgeous entry. I'm already up. What's that? $95 on that? That's nice. That's nice. So yeah, I think we'll see what happens. I would like a bounce here and go back to all-time highs, but it depends on this news. We got news today at 1, and we have news on Friday. So it's going to be a very volatile week. I'm loving levels to the downside. I'm loving levels to the upside. Uh, it's just been great levels now that we came back down from all-time highs, right? Like when we're trading up here, bro, it's so annoying to trade because you're taking little freaking scalps that just don't pay. Like you're risking 1 to 1. I want to risk 50 for 50. I risk 50 for 200, but I'm not risking 50 for 50. So it makes you like not even want to trade. But yeah, so it's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Like, comment, subscribe if you learned something, and yeah, comment if you want videos on anything else or more breakdowns.